Hi, it's Mark Owen from Moose Marketing PR, the editor of Punchline magazine. Today I'm outside Hydro, which is on the outskirts of Gloucester. You're just about to see the Gloucester Cathedral in the distance. Gloucester Quay's over there, and right here beside me is Martjn Vos, Managing Director. Hello sir, nice to meet you.
Hi Mark, great to see you again.
Thank you very much. And what do you do here at Hydro?
Welcome to Hydro. Let's take a few steps off the road.
Okay.
As you know, we're part of a big aluminium company. We're fully integrated all the way from bauxite mining, smelting, casting, extrusion, and we're very proud of being a specialized business making final products out of our beautiful metal. We produce roof rails and trims here in Gloucester. With about 150 colleagues of mine, we make approximately 50 million turnover every year. And we're very happy to expand this site in the near future so that we can employ an additional 40 people. So exciting times. Let me show you around.
Okay,
come on in.
Stuff. Thanks very much. So how long have you worked here, Martjn?
I've been here about 2.5 years.
Mm-hmm. And where are you from originally, sir?
I'm originally from the Netherlands, but I spent most of my career in Germany. And in the aluminium industry, I've been moving all over the map, actually.
Okay.
Been in Russia, been in the Middle East.
And what's so special about working here in Gloucester?
Working here in Gloucester is we make these highly polished and highly decorative products, which really has sets enormous requirements on the purity of the metal and all the processing of the material, so that we have a perfect finish without any scratch or any inclusion, and that's one of the challenges we have.
And what type of cars do they go in?
They go into premium models. They go into Toyotas, into Nissans, Volvo. But we also produce parts for Rolls-Royce, for Aston Martin, okay. So all the premium UK brands.
Okay, it's great to be at the back here, and you said 140 people are employed here?
150 at the moment.
150,
yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to jump in front of the mirror. There we go, I'm out again.
Just follow me. Yeah.
Thank you.
Just follow me, I'll show you the polishing operation first, which is fully automated. Polishing machines. Let's go a little bit closer where we can get a better view of the robot. You see the 10 rails lined up with the fixture. We need to step one step back, and then the robot polishes in about a 15-minute cycle time. We polish those rails. And then they're put onto this rack. They go into the analyzing line where we brighten them to get this final finish that I'm showing you here. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's move on. I'll show you the bending and the robotic machining as well. Let's go here. The aluminium dust extraction. So the polishing dust is collected in this device and it's made into a slurry so that it's not dangerous. Aluminium dust is actually rocket fuel. Here you see the inspection, whether the rails are have the proper dimensions. We have these inspection fixtures.
How big the plant is, but there's nobody here at the moment. You know?
Here you see our bending machine. This is our robotic. Let me show you the assembly of the rail. Yeah. Follow me. Yeah. So right here you see the furnace. We have the heat treatment furnace where we age the material to get the appropriate strength. Now I'll walk you to the assembly. We will get Volvo assembly here in a few months. That's why we're planning the extension.
Okay.
There are two different models where we will supply the rails to.
And you said there are 40 new jobs that are going to come as well, being created with the extension.
Absolutely.
So more opportunities for people in the county to work here.
Correct.
And with those sorts of jobs, what will they be?
There will be largely assembly jobs with the new products that are coming. Plus we have more operational jobs related to the vision bars which we are currently launching.
Okay.
But there will also be operational jobs, loading and unloading machines, and being part of an integrated cell.
Which way now? So around here?
Fill up the anodizing line.
So can you tell me a little bit about aluminium? And I didn't realise that aluminium is completely recyclable.
It is 100% recyclable. The beauty is it doesn't lose its properties.
Right.
So in fact you can recycle it over and over again. And a good example is aluminium cans. They are being collected and immediately re-put into operation, so you can make cans out of cans. And we're doing a bit of an experiment at the moment on using post-consumer scrap to produce our products as well. And so far it looks very, very promising. So in the future we'll be making roof rails out of post-consumer scrap as well.
Oh, fantastic. So your old can of Coke could therefore be, on the front of your car.
Absolutely. Absolutely. In fact, 75% of all the aluminium which has ever been made is still in use. So it's being almost 100% recycled nowadays.
Yeah. What are these big vats here?
This is
I'll get behind you.
This is the waste treatment from the from the line.
Okay.
I cannot take you any further than this, but this gives you a good overview. Those are different baths where we first clean the material, we brighten them, we anodize it, and then there are several post-treatments to get this final look, and then a protective layer on top of it, and then it's also resistant to all these nasty car wash chemicals that we use nowadays, so that your rail stays nice and shiny.
And finally, so these big vats over here, full of acid, is it? And,
yeah, the acid is on the very end. Yeah. The acid is being used for the brightening of the metal. And what we see, we can with our process we can almost make any kinds of aluminium bright. So we don't have any requirements on the purity of the metal.
It's almost like a theme from a James Bond film, a scene from a James Bond film, we don't mind saying, here with the lights and all the rest of it, and the vats of acid. But obviously Daniel Craig's not here today, sir.
No, you don't want to drop into one of those baths either. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks ever so much for showing me around, Martjn. Really pleasure to meet you again, sir.
Okay, it was my pleasure.